So what's the problem with it being hit?
There's a load of seating going back in here.
Yeah.
There's the corporation stalls.
So you're never going to be seen again.
It's the only bit where the seating's going back in.
Can I go around there? Alright?
No, not really. Sorry.
That's alright. I'll cross the corner and go in.
Yeah, it's just so we can record it all.
Yeah.
So, what was the last thing back from the... So we're here in Bath Abbey as part of the Bath Abbey Footprint Project, and we've just excavated this trench and come down on something quite spectacular. What we've got here is an intact late medieval floor inside what would have been Bath Cathedral. So this is the floor of the cathedral that predates the present abbey. We think these tiles, they date from the late medieval period, possibly late 13th or 14th century. So this is a later floor within the cathedral that was built in the 11th century. We've got various heraldic motifs. To my right here we've got 3 lions and a shield, which is the motif of the Plantagenet kings of England. And on my left we've got the arms of the De Clare family. These were powerful marcher lords who owned huge amounts of territory along Welsh borders and in Ireland, and were heavily involved in late medieval politics. The last male member of whom died at the Battle of Bannockburn in 1314. We've also got this plinth to my right here. We think this is possibly the base of a chest tomb, the sort of thing that you might have like an effigy on top or something like that. This is extending beyond the limits of the trench, so we're not totally sure about that. So once we've finished doing our recording, this floor will be covered over and protected beneath the corporation stalls, which are being reinstalled. These are pews near to the altar. And it will be preserved indefinitely beneath the floor. But our records of it will be available for everyone to see.